Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cream wax is probably one of the most sought-after hair removal methods for its effectiveness and convenience, offering a longer-lasting smooth finish compared to shaving, but with the need to understand the nuances of application and potential skin reactions to ensure a safe and successful hair removal experience, making it a popular choice for both at-home and professional use. Number 5. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. Get ready for smooth, confident skin with our complete at-home waxing kit. It's everything you need for a salon-quality experience, right in your bathroom. It's no secret that we're a favorite. We've been featured on CBS, ABC, NBC, and Cosmopolitan, and have gone viral on social media. You can trust it. This kit has it all: a digital wax warmer, scented wax beads, applicators, pre- and post-wax sprays, protective collars, and even an easy-to-follow guide. Everything for a perfect wax. It's safe for even the most sensitive skin. The kit and wax beads are dermatologically tested and certified for your peace of mind. Waxing has never been easier. It comes with an easy-to-understand manual and access to our tutorial app, WaxPal, with videos from licensed estheticians. It's tough on hair but gentle on skin, making it ideal for sensitive areas like your bikini line or underarms. Get ready for flawlessly smooth skin. What we like. This all-in-one kit has everything you need for at-home waxing, including a digital warmer and instructional app. If you're a beginner or want a convenient option, this is perfect. It's also ideal for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable waxing experience. What people say. The wax itself is great for sensitive skin. I experienced no irritation, and it removed even the shortest hairs effortlessly. The digital display is super helpful for keeping the wax at the perfect temperature, and the instructions are clear and beginner-friendly. The wax removes basically all of the hair, maybe one strand left behind every now and then that just gets tweezed. I love how quick the wax melts and is ready for use. Number 4. GiGi Crème Wax. Indulge your skin with this soft wax, providing a comfortable and lavish hair removal treatment. It's gentle enough for the face and body, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated. This wonderfully hydrating formula won't dry out your skin. It promotes elasticity and suppleness, leaving you with a brighter, more radiant complexion. It's ideal for finer hairs on the face, like your upper lip and eyebrows. But it's also effective on thicker hair on your legs and arms. The convenient 14-ounce container is perfect for warming and reheating. It's sealed for easy storage and mess-free use. GiGi is a leading brand in the hair removal industry, known for its high-quality products and easy-to-follow instructions. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. What we like. This luxurious wax is gentle and hydrating, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. If you have sensitive skin and want a comfortable, salon-quality experience at home, this is the one for you. It's also great for finer hairs on the face and body. What people say. I really like the quality of this wax. I find it very easy to apply and I almost never have to go through the same area more than twice. The consistency is key. It should be like honey. I actually like it just a tiny bit thicker. Having your skin clean and dry is important. Lotions, water, sweat and oil etc. prevents you from applying the wax evenly, and even if you manage to apply, it doesn't really stick to your hair, so it doesn't work. I also found that exfoliation beforehand helps a lot. It takes off the dead skin and exposes the hair better. Number 3. GiGi Tea Tree Crème Wax. It's a soft wax, making hair removal more comfortable and gentle. It's suitable for face and body, even sensitive areas, providing mild exfoliation and hydration. This wax is infused with tea tree oil, which adds a calming and therapeutic touch to your waxing experience. It also nourishes and replenishes your skin's moisture. Specifically formulated for sensitive skin, it minimizes discomfort during waxing. It's perfect for those with low pain tolerance, reducing the risk of irritation. The 14-ounce container is designed for easy warming and reheating. The sealed lid keeps it fresh and clean, perfect for both salons and home use. GiGi is a leading brand in hair removal, known for its high-quality products and easy instructions. It's cruelty-free and perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. What we like. This calming wax is infused with tea tree oil to soothe and nourish your skin during waxing. If you have sensitive skin and want a relaxing, therapeutic experience, this is your best bet. The tea tree oil helps reduce irritation and promotes a calming sensation. What people say. I really love this wax. I got the student starter kit around March and got this one to replace the wax I went through around August. So one can lasted me around 5 months, which is great. I use it for my legs and upper lip area and this wax works great on both. The consistency is key. It should be like honey, I actually like it just a tiny bit thicker. Too thick equals you'll get a bruise, too thin equals you'll burn. Having your skin clean and dry is important. Lotions, water, sweat and oil etc. prevents you from applying the wax evenly, and even if you manage to apply, it doesn't really stick to your hair, so it doesn't work. I also found that exfoliation beforehand helps a lot. It takes off the dead skin and exposes the hair better. Number 2. GiGi Milk Chocolate Wax. This soft wax makes hair removal more comfortable. It's gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive areas, and leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It has a creamy milk chocolate formula that nourishes and plumps your skin. The decadent scent makes waxing a truly enjoyable experience. This wax is perfect for those with sensitive skin or a low pain tolerance. It minimizes discomfort and reduces the risk of irritation. The 14-ounce container is designed for easy warming and reheating. It's also conveniently sealed for storage. GiGi is a leading brand in hair removal, trusted for over 40 years. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced waxers. What we like. Indulge in a decadent waxing experience with this milk chocolate scented wax that nourishes your skin. If you love the smell of chocolate and want a luxurious treatment, this is for you. It's also effective on coarse, resistant hair. What people say. So one can lasted me around 5 months, which is great. I use it for my legs and upper lip area and this wax works great on both. The consistency is key. It should be like honey, I actually like it just a tiny bit thicker. Having your skin clean and dry is important. Lotions, water, sweat and oil etc. prevents you from applying the wax evenly, and even if you manage to apply, it doesn't really stick to your hair, so it doesn't work. I also found that exfoliation beforehand helps a lot. It takes off the dead skin and exposes the hair better. Number 1. Tress Wellness Bikini Wax. Say goodbye to painful waxing. This specially formulated wax is tough on hair, but gentle on even the most sensitive skin. It's perfect for removing even the most stubborn hairs from your bikini and underarm areas. Experience a smooth, clean finish. You'll receive a generous 1.2 pounds bag of wax beads and 12 application spatulas, everything you need for a professional waxing experience at home. It's been dermatologically tested to minimize irritation and is completely cruelty-free. You can trust it's safe and gentle on your skin. Use it at your perfect temperature for a smooth, virtually painless waxing experience. It glides on effortlessly for the best results. Our expert waxing guide, developed with professional estheticians, provides helpful tips and tricks for both beginners and experienced waxers. What we like. These hard wax beads are perfect for removing even the most stubborn hairs, especially in the bikini area. If you have coarse hair and want a smooth, strip-free waxing experience, this is the ideal choice. The specially formulated wax ensures a comfortable application. What people say. It also gripped onto all the hair very well and didn't leave my facial skin red and irritated like other cheap wax does. These beads melt easily and are so gentle on my sensitive skin. I've had issues with irritation and redness from other waxes, but this one left my skin smooth with minimal discomfort. The wax melts quickly and has the perfect consistency for application. I love that it grabs hair without sticking too much to the skin, making removal so much easier. The wax melts evenly, applies smoothly, and adheres well to hair without irritating my skin. I love how painless it is compared to other products I've tried, and it works perfectly on even the most delicate areas. The results are professional grade, leaving my skin soft and hair-free for weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.